heard you want a cotton candy shower routine. And of course, your bestie got you, so let's get to it. Y'all know if y'all want any candy sweets combo, you girl, because y'all can tell I love my fragrance and especially my candy fragrances. And if you're new here, follow or subscribe. So let's get to it. So, first off, it all starts in the shower. So, first, you gotta go in with your Kanken Clouds body wash or shower gel. Now, this is a Kanken Clouds. It's by Bath and Body Works. I love this set now. Now, the notes on here is sponge, sugar, pink berries, vanilla. Now, it don't smell exactly like cotton candy, but it smells like a sweet candy that makes sense, and I love this scent now. It's so yeah, bestie. So then you're gonna go in candy scrub by Tree Hut. This is my favorite Tree Hut scrub by them. It literally smells like a sweet candy, and it's pink. It smells so good, bestie. Like it's literally like my favorite scrub. This is my fifth time buying this. Like I love this scrub now. For your body cream, you're gonna use the matching Cotton Candy Clouds body cream, and then for the spray, you're gonna go now. Like a walking candy girl, do not blame me. Cause hey, you asked and I got you, bestie. But comment down below, girl, what other shower routines y'all want, bestie. And until next time, bestie. Bye, bestie.